What's up, guys? By the time most of you guys see this, there's going to be an update to Social Vending Machine. And trust me when I tell you, trust me when I tell you, you ain't got no idea how dope this is. Listen, again, there are people in this country who, if you gave them $100,000 a month, they find some reason why that's a bad idea. There are some people in this country, I can't speak for around the world. I've been around the world, but I never lived around the world. But there are people in this country right here that if you gave them, here's the analogy I use today. If I had the keys to the vault where every gold coin and every gold bar was located, and I said, all you got to do is show up, give me your name, email, and phone number, and you can go in, and as many gold bars as you can carry out of there, they're yours. There are going to be people who, A, aren't going to go in because I'm not giving you my phone number. I'm not giving you my email. And there are some people who are going to get there and say, well, I don't have a bag big enough. Or you're going to have people saying, oh, is this real gold? You can't win sometimes. But for people like me, not marketers, because I'm not a marketer, I'm a sales guy. It's a difference. When there's blood in the water, I'm biting somebody. It's feeding frenzy time. Well, guess what, guys? It's time to feed. It's time to feed. Go to svmwebinar.com. Watch that webinar and understand that only half of what this is in that webinar. Know when I tell you half. No, better yet, only a quarter of what's really going on in this business is in that webinar. Go svmwebinar.com. Watch it. Don't screw around. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You may not believe me, but you'll learn today. And understand something. If I gave you an opportunity to make $120,000 a year, and all it would take was 4 sales, would you be interested? Let me ask you another question. If I told you all you needed was 4 sales to make $120,000 a year, and you didn't even have to make the sale, would you be interested? Maybe. And doing the same junk you do every day anyway on Facebook, would you be interested? svmwebinar.com. Do not screw around. Do it right now. Do it right now. Now I'm going to go. Peace.